I'll guide you through buying fractional shares on Cash App, allowing you to own a piece of high-priced companies like Berkshire Hathaway or Amazon with as little as $1. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open Cash App and tap the Investing tab, represented by the Stock Market Trend icon. Select stocks from the top menu and use the search bar to find a specific company by its name or ticker symbol, such as TSLA for Tesla or AAPL for Apple. If this is your first time investing, complete the identity verification process by providing your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Tap the Buy button on the Stocks Detail page and choose one of the preset amounts, or tap the 3 dots icon to enter a custom dollar amount as low as $1. Review the Order Detail screen to see exactly how much of a fractional share you will receive based on the current market price and your chosen investment amount. Confirm your purchase using your cash PIN or biometric authentication like Face ID to execute the trade during standard market hours, which are 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Check your Investing tab immediately after the trade to view your new stock slice and track its daily performance alongside the rest of your portfolio. Verify your funding source before tapping Confirm, as Cash App will automatically pull from your linked debit card if your primary Cash App balance is insufficient to cover the trade. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.